Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we're back with another video. And as you guys can tell by the title, we are going to be doing a gel polish swatch video. The owner of Modelones or Modelones reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try these gel polishes, and of course I love trying new stuff. So this is what it looks like. I did open it, so it's a bit messy, but it's super small, super cute, and this is what the colors look like. I will post a picture just so you guys can see it a little bit better, but it comes with 7 gel polishes. They're all 6 ml, so that is a decent amount of product. They're super cute, super small again, and I have the color chocolate on my nails right now, and it's super pretty, and these are super pigmented. So let's get right into the swatches. So you are going to probably hear my son's cartoons in the background. He's sick and he wants to watch his cartoons, and I'm not gonna lower them or stop them. So yeah, my little poor baby's not feeling good. So basically, I did film the intro and outro a few days ago, and as you can tell, my nails are completely different. I just did a builder gel set right now, and I'm probably going to use one of these colors to do my nails, but I did want to swatch them first. In the intro and outro, the color I'm wearing is chocolate, but I haven't tried any of these other colors, so let's just get right into these swatches. So I started off with the first shade, which is called Chocolate, and this is just one coat. This is the second shade, which is called Classical, which is a nice, like, peachy pale nude. It kind of has like a orangey undertone to it, but it's a really pretty color. And the first shade, Chocolate, is like a really nice deep nude. I think that's like one of my favorite colors out of the collection. This is the third shade that I'm swatching, and it's called Dancing Cinderella. It's like a deep gray, really pretty. This is the fourth shade, and it's called Poetry. It's kind of like a mauvey berry rosy type of shade, also really pretty. This is the fifth shade, and this one is called Lavishly Loved. This is another nude. This is like a nice nude, really like pinky toned nude, whereas the other one is a peachy nude. This is the sixth shade, and it's called Being Cherries, and it is a really pretty maroon reddish shade. I really like how all these colors are really cohesive with the actual color on the packaging. So I love this collection so far. So this is the seventh shade. It's called Afternoon Tea, and it's another gray. It's like a different type of gray. It has a more like black undertone to it. It's much more deeper in color, but nevertheless, it's still really pretty. Okay, so that is all of the polishes swatched. I'm not sure what I want to do to my nails yet. These colors are also beautiful. They're also unique. I really love these nude shades. I really love this red, this mauve type of berryish pink color. I definitely love this when I was wearing it. Super pretty. And I love this deep brown. Oh, deep brown. This is not a deep brown. I really love this deep gray color. So I don't know. I've been on the nude side lately, so I think I'm going to go for something a bit more bold. I think I might just use these two today. So we will see. This is them without top coats. They're pretty shiny. I'm going to top coat them off camera, come back, show you guys what they look like with a top coat, and probably do my nails real quick as well and show you guys what I came up with, and then we will move on to the outro. So this is what they look like top coated. Super shiny, super pretty. Some of them could use 2 coats of polish, like this color and this color. They're a little bit see-through. Also, this color And this is what I came up with for my nail design. I used these two colors for my nail polish. I figured let's do something festive and pretty. I'll probably add some bling later on, but this is what they look like right now. Freaking love them. I haven't done stiletto in such a long time. These polishes are super easy to work with. So yeah, I will see you guys in the outro. Bye. So that brings this video to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me swatch all these really beautiful gel polishes. If you did, drop a thumbs up. If you have any questions about where I got them or anything like that, I will try to leave as much information as I can in the description bar. But if you have any other questions, drop them down below in the comment section. Also, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you guys go. And on that note, I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you guys are. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.